I'm Jason Swain. I'm the executive chef here at the Top Deck at Gordon Lodge.
Hi, my name is Brittany Prout, and I am the food and beverage director here at Gordon Lodge. Downstairs is a boathouse, so the basement itself is still the structure of what was the boathouse. We utilize that as an event space now. The outer part of it is the original building, and then we renovated the interior. So with the restaurant, you get that high-end experience with a casual flair and that $1 million view.
First dish that we have today is the fish taco. We've had that on the menu for the past couple of years. It's kind of developed a cult following. On Mondays we do a special. It's a $3 fish taco, a $4 margarita, and the place is packed. We'll sell 400 or 500 fish tacos in a night. It's a great recipe. We developed it here on property. It's kind of got a little key lime taste to it. It's a breaded batter with a black bean relish and coleslaw on it and a little Thai chili sauce. Next dish is the raspberry chicken. It's kind of a house specialty that we have here. It's a raspberry vinaigrette marinated chicken breast that has a mango relish on it, a raspberry plum sauce with it.
It's definitely a favorite. I see it all of the time. The presentation's beautiful.
Third dish is the beef scallopini. It's a couple 2-ounce slices of tenderloin, pounded down a little bit, and we do a pan sear with it with a little brown sauce, some Dijon mustard, garlic, and it'll be over a bed of potatoes. It's a great dish. It's full of flavor, and that's been on the menu kind of peppered throughout the years. And then we have the Pasta Paisano. It's a pasta with several different types of meat, some fresh vegetable in it. It's an orchetti pasta. We have chicken, prosciutto, a sausage in it, garlic, some white beans and peas, and a bunch of other fresh vegetables, tomatoes, onions, things like that. It's a real colorful dish. Tastes great. It's a chicken sauce with it, red peppers and garlic, and it's fantastic.